Hello everyone. Welcome to my demonstration of creating an Amazon EBS volume. Let's get started. There will be three portions to this demonstration. Number one, how do you launch a new EC2 instance and attach an EBS volume to it? Number two, how do you add more EBS volumes to an EC2 instance? And finally, number three, how do you remove EBS volumes and EC2 instances to clean up your demo environment? Let us start with section 1. How do you launch a new EC2 instance and attach EBS volume to it? Log into your account in the AWS Management Console. You will be greeted with a landing page similar to the one displayed here. To begin, select on EC2. If EC2 is not displayed, type EC2 in the top search field and click on it. For this demonstration, we will be launching a new Amazon EC2 instance and then attaching EBS volumes to it. On the EC2 dashboard, select Launch Instance to open the drop-down menu and then choose Launch Instance from the menu. On this page, provide a name for the EC2 instance. In this case, the name provided is demo_ec2_instance. Next, you can leave everything as the default settings for the application and OS images, that is the Amazon machine image section, or you can modify these settings here to configure a different image. Next, scroll down till you see Configure Storage section. In this section, you will see that by default, there is an unencrypted 8 GB GP3 volume attached as the root volume for the instance. You can change the volume type using an option in the drop-down list, as well as change the volume size from 8 GB to what you desire. In this demonstration example, we will keep the volume type as GP3, which is the default. If you would like the volume to be encrypted, you can change the setting on the Advanced Settings page. However, for this demonstration, the volume will be kept as unencrypted. Additionally, you can add more volumes for data or other uses from here by selecting the Add New Volume button. You can select from any volume type and specify a size that is permitted for the selected volume type. Once done, make sure that you select an appropriate key pair that will be used to log into the instance. In this case, a new key pair named demo_key was created. Once that is done, select on Launch Instance to launch the instance and create the EBS volumes. Once the instance is launched, select the instance ID as shown here. You are then taken to the instances page and you can view the instance details here. On this page, you can select the Storage tab. Here you will see all the EBS volumes that you attached to this instance when you created the instance. This completes the section 1 of our demonstration. Now for section 2, we will learn about how to add more EBS volumes to an existing EC2 instance. If you want to create and attach additional EBS volumes to an EC2 instance, first select the Volumes tab in the left navigation pane. Your existing volumes are displayed on this page. Now select Create Volume in the upper right corner of the page. Here, select the volume type and input the size of the volume you want to create. Make sure that the availability zone selected is the same where the EC2 instance was previously launched. Once done, scroll down and select on Create Volume. Your newly created volume is displayed on the Volumes page in the Available state. Available volumes have been created but are not attached to an EC2 instance. To attach the volume to an EC2 instance, first select the volume, then select Actions to open the Actions menu, then choose Attach Volume. Select the instance ID from the drop-down list of EC2 instances and leave everything else as default, and then select Attach Volume to attach this volume to your selected EC2 instance. To verify that your newly created volume is attached to your chosen EC2 instance, select Instances on the EC2 console from the left navigation pane, then select the EC2 instance, and then select the Storage tab. Your newly created and attached EBS volume will be displayed in the attached state. That wraps up section 2 of our demonstration. Now for section 3, we will learn about how do you remove EBS volumes and EC2 instances to clean up your demo environment. You must terminate all the AWS service resources that you created as a part of this demonstration to avoid any further cost. To begin, on the instances page, first select the demo underscore EC2 underscore instance, then select the instance state drop-down menu button, and then choose Terminate Instance. Here, confirm that you want to terminate the instance by selecting Terminate. On the instances page, you will see the instance state change to terminated. Please note that deleting the EC2 instance will delete only the EC2 instance as well as the root volume or other EBS volumes set to terminate with the EC2 instance. You still need to manually delete the other EBS volumes that were attached to your EC2 instance. Locate these volumes by first going to the Volumes page under the Volume tab from the left navigation pane, and then select the remaining demo EBS volumes. You then select the Actions drop-down menu button in the upper right part of the screen and then choose Delete Volume. A confirmation box is displayed. To confirm that you want to delete the EBS volumes, type in Delete in the provided field and then select Delete. You have now cleaned up your Amazon EC2 and Amazon EBS resources that were created during this demonstration. And with that concludes our demonstration. Thank you everyone for following along, and you have good rest of your day.